Hi everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. This is Praveen from Team Debru, and today's video is going to be about how to make $100 per day with Gotzha using Twitter ads. Welcome to today's video on how to make $100 per day with Gotzha using Twitter ads. So guys, this video is literally going to be very different. The concept that I'm going to do this video is really different. Usually when I say how to make $100 per day, I usually guide you on step by step on how to do it. Like I build a campaign for you and all this stuff. So this video is going to be different in the sense of it's going to be an explanatory videos. It's going to be an informative video where I'm just going to tell you how to do it. I'm going to show you some screenshots. I'm going to show you how it's done and all this stuff, guys. So literally I'm telling you in a hit so that you don't think that this is a clickbait. And also I'm just going to tell you that I'm not a pro in Twitter ads, but I wanted to do a video on Twitter ads. So what I did was I'm a pro in Gotzha offer and affiliate offers, guys, so don't take it for granted. So what I did was I approached a friend of mine who actually is very good in Twitter ads. So I've actually talked to him. I asked him how to I literally asked him to teach me on how to do stuff. So he taught me the whole stuff on how to do it, and I actually integrated the affiliate offer into the ads that he actually taught me on how to do. So basically it's going to be a screenshot of what he actually taught to me and what he sent to me. So he didn't want his identity to be seen, so for his privacy purposes I've actually blocked certain stuffs inside the screenshot itself. So I'm letting you know ahead, guys. So it's always better to know ahead, right? And then so what we're going to do is we're going to take Gotzha's offer, we're going to go into Gotzha, and then we're going to do a Twitter ads. So let's get this thing rolling. And also guys, this video is barely going to be very short compared to other videos where we actually make campaigns. This video is explanatory, so I'm just trying this. Maybe you guys will like this more. So if you guys like this type of video more, do let us know in the comment below so that I can actually make more videos like this, in other than making a video like watch me build and stuff like I build the whole campaign, those kind of stuff. So let me know, guys, let me know in the comments below, don't worry. All right, so let's get into today's video. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is we're going to talk about Gotzha. Gotzha is an affiliate network which was established in Thailand. Now they are HQ'd in Singapore. They do have an office in Amsterdam as well. They're growing at a very fast rate. The rate that you actually see them grow is today you go into their dashboard, check their offer, and tomorrow you come back and check their offer. It will be a different amount. It will be increased. Their offers are increasing. They are growing in a very huge amount. They're bringing in a lot of affiliate likes to work. Affiliates, they like to work with Gotzha. The reason of why they like to work with Gotzha is, first thing, Gotzha has a super crazy responsive system, support system. You can consider, you can call it anything. They have very friendly people working in Gotzha. Literally the AM works like 24/7 unless he's sleeping. I'm not sure, but I don't even know what time he actually sleeps, because every time I actually message him and ask him something, he'll reply. So I don't know whether he sleeps or not, whether he's a zombie or not. But the touch, the personal touch that Gotzha gives, it's superb, guys. The AM are super friendly. The support team are there to help you, and then that kind of personal engagement that they give to the affiliate, to their customer, is what makes them who they are right now today. And then also the second thing that I want to talk about Gotzha is the payment. Gotzha has never failed a payment method. I'm not bullshitting, guys. You can actually go Google. You can actually go ahead and check in Google about Gotzha's review regarding their payment and all. It's tip top. It's on time, it's on weekly basis, and the threshold is only $500, which is very less compared to other affiliate network like Big Bang Ads, which is $1,500. So they are crazy amount big money. So Gotzha is very less. So Gotzha is something that you should definitely go ahead and try. I'm not promoting Gotzha. Gotzha has no referral link, keep that in mind. So we have actually seen this offer over here. This is the dashboard that we actually, once you log in into the Gotzha, this is how the dashboard of Gotzha will look like. It's pretty amazing, right? I personally like the dashboard a lot. in the sense of their dashboard is actually very customized. It's actually very custom made. So when something is made from scratch, I know the value of making things from scratch, so I really appreciate their work, and it looks pretty neat compared to other templates and stuff. So first thing you gotta do is you gotta go to Gotzha, you gotta find an offer. You can go to the offer section over here. You can just go ahead and choose whatever offers that you want. Some of the offers that are applied to run. Actually, most of the offers are applied to run. Some of the offers are public offers, so you can actually go ahead to the status bar over here. You can actually change it into public and see how many offers are public. So 337 offers are public, and applied to run, there's like 4,531 applied to run offers. So majorities are applied to run offers. But why applied to run is not a big problem in Gotzha. Like for example, in Max Bounty, you need to apply to run, and it might get some time to get that offer accepted. Right, in Gotzha it's not like that. Trust me, I told you, right, the AM is like 24/7 working with us. So whenever you actually press and apply to run this particular offer, it gets approved very fast. You can actually go ahead and roger the affiliate manager, telling that this is my offer, this is the offer code, this is the offer number, and all this kind of stuff, and he will get your application approved. I mean, you can go ahead and run the offer. That's pretty simple. So you can actually run any offers. Twitter is not as strict as Facebook and Instagram, but Twitter is still strict in the sense of you need to go and read the tweeters. Let me just show you. This is Twitter ads. So this is where you need to go in order for you to actually get your ads. So when you actually want to do your ads, you can actually go ahead and read the policies over here, the Twitter terms and all this kind of stuff, which is very important in order for you to do a ad. They have different terms. They're not as strict as Facebook and Instagram, but still they are strict in certain things. No pornographies and stuff like that, no adult stuffs and all this kind of stuff. So make sure you read all the terms and conditions properly before placing an ad. So you need to have like an ad account with Twitter, and to create that there is certain eligibility, guys. Let me just show you Twitter ads eligibility. So you can actually go ahead and see over here, this guy actually tells you the eligibility that you need to run a Twitter program. Oops, I just read it somewhere around here. Oh, I think I read it here. Yeah, your account must be at least 15 days old, if not older, so that it can be eligible for Twitter ads. And also you have to do at least tweeting, retweeting, replying, or all this kind of stuff in that 15 days trial. And only when you do this, you can actually go ahead and run your ad. So keep that in mind when you're creating an ad account with Twitter ads. As well as once you have actually got an offer from Gotzha, make sure that you go to Bitly. Bitly is something that is a URL shortener. There's also tiny URL. You can actually use anything which is in your perspective, which is very much whatever that you like, guys. Whatever URL shortener that you like. I like Bitly, so you can actually use Bitly and all this kind of stuff. So you can actually go ahead, shorten the URL, make it sexier, make it nicer, make it look cooler, and then you implement that particular URL within your Twitter ad. So the first thing that you want to do is, this is how it will look like, and then you gotta go and press create campaign once you have actually logged in. So once you have actually pressed create campaign, you will be led to this particular page where you can actually choose your campaign objectives, what kind of objectives that you want. You want tweet engagement, promote videos, awareness, website clicks, in-stream video views, followers, app installs, app re-engagement. Usually we will do for tweet engagements, so it totally depends on you. You can even put videos and all this kind of stuff. So choose what is your campaign objective, just same like how we do it in Facebook and Instagram. It's almost similar. So once you have done that, you go and start creating your campaign. So the first thing you need to do is you need to create a setting for your billing. This is very important. So you need to set the name. Before you actually create Twitter ads, make sure to go and set your billings. Whatever ads that you actually create, billing is very important. Keep that in mind. You always have to keep that in mind, that billing is very important. So Once you have actually set the billing, now we can actually go ahead and start building our campaign. So the first page will look like this, where you actually name your campaign and then how you're gonna fund it using credit card or debit card, and then what is your daily budget, total budget. Also you can actually select daily budget. It works in a very similar way with Facebook and Instagram, where you set a daily budget, how much you want to spend, how much you don't want to spend more than that. So you select the amount that you want, and you can actually start a campaign and end a campaign. This works very similar with Facebook and Instagram. If you're familiar with Facebook and Instagram, this is like piece of cake. So the second thing would be ad group details. So you can actually name your ad group details. This is more like ad set. No, it's this like your ad set name, something like that. So you name your ad set over here, and then you can also set up your time, whether you want it or not. So totally depends on you. Usually I don't set anything over here. That's what my friend recommends. And you can actually set a total group budget, which is also optional, which is also totally depends on you. It's not compulsory for you to set it, and I would not actually advise you to set it as well. So the third thing is this maximum bid over here. This is your bidding amount, and as you can see over here, there's a bid type over here, and literally they will actually give you a recommended range where you can actually bid. For example, $1.50 to $2.50. This would be your recommended range to bid. So you're bidding only like $1, so it will be somewhere around here. But like all kinds of CPC, what I will highly suggest you to do is try to bid as low as possible, and then keep monitoring it. Then once you can actually see the engagement, whether it's nice or it's not nice, then you know whether you want to increase or you want to shut down the whole ads. So that's how it works, guys. So once you have done that, you can also go ahead and if you're using external trackers like volume and all this, you can go to the double click tracking over here, and then you can actually go ahead and click on this and paste your tracker link over there. That's how you do it. And audience measurement is more like, if you have already a targeted audience, you have followers, you have all this kind of stuff, then audience measurement tag works a lot. But for now we don't have anything, so it's okay. And then we are going to go on targeting. So this is the targeting page. So first thing is your audience. So this is where you actually place your audience, what type of audience you want, what kind of interest you want. It works in a very similar pattern with Facebook, guys. What kind of interest you want, what kind of behavior will be down actually. So this is like your total audience, and always keep in mind this is your audience summary over there. When you actually narrow down your search, your audience will go down, but it's not always bad. I won't completely say it's bad. It will be more like a detailed targeting, a specific detailed targeting kind of marketing, where you target a certain group, people who's really interested. It's like this, guys. You go to a corporate office, you're gonna sell mango. There's like 100 people in a corporate office, then you're gonna go ahead and sell mangoes. The probability of people that gonna buy the mangoes there is relatively less compared to if you go to a store which people already going there to buy a mango. It's just a mango shop, and then there's no mango and you're going to sell mango. So people are going to buy, even though there's like 10 or 20 people, more people are going to buy in that store compared to the corporate office. So that's called the specific targeted marketing. So that's the strategy over here. And demographic, you can actually change your demographics. You can change your gender, you can change your language, you can also change your location, where you want to target, which country you want to target. So once you have done all that, you go to the further down where there's an audience feature. This is where you actually put the behavior, the interest, what type of audience, what kind of behavior. Twitter has this kind of AI similar to Facebook and Instagram, where they can actually, how we say this, I mean, Twitter and Instagram, their main source of income is through ads, right? So how do they get actually ads? Is they use a particular type of AI to track your behavior, so they know what type of behavior you have from how you pose, from you go and like some pictures, you go and like some page. So they know your behavior, and they will put ads targeting you according to your behavior. So that's how Facebook, Instagram all works. And it's same with Twitter. They have their own AI where you can actually go ahead and select the behavior, select the interest. You can even select keywords and all this kind of stuff. And also this is the same feature, expand your audience feature. Like this is when you have already a selected based audience, which you can actually go ahead and put them into over here. Like for example, you have already 100,000 followers. Why do you want to show somebody else these 100,000 followers? They like you, they follow you, means they are related to your content, so it's better to put them inside, right? So as you can see, when you actually narrow down the search, you actually narrow down behavior, the target, the amount of users will actually reduce from the recommended, and it will keep going down. Even though this is the recommended audience size, it's not always necessary for you to use recommended audience size. This is same concept with Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, or whatsoever. Like I told you, specific detailed target marketing, guys. That's the strategy. So once you have done that, you can actually go ahead and do the final part, where you can actually go ahead over here. This is the page that it will be led to, and then you go ahead and press create tweet, where you can actually go ahead and create your own tweet. So once you have actually created your own tweet, the last part is just for you to review your campaign and launch your campaign. When you actually create your own tweet, this is where you're gonna put your affiliate link. So you're gonna put a nice content, nice tweet. If you don't know what tweet is, I don't know how to explain to you how tweet works, guys. Twitter is very famous, guys. Just go ahead and Google how Twitter works. But the probability of people using Twitter is very much less compared to it depends on demographics as well. So in India, Twitter is very famous. Twitter is like the main platform. I think in UK also Twitter is very famous. So it totally depends on all those factors, guys. So when you're actually putting your tweet, you can actually put, it's just, you can put videos, you can put images, you can put a lot of stuff. So you can see over here, you can actually put videos, you can actually put images, you can put a lot of stuff, you can even put tweet. But then this is where you actually gonna put the URL, the link which you have already shortened from bit.ly, and then you're gonna put it over here. And also with Twitter, guys, try to be as transparent as possible. If possible, just put a clause there that I'm an affiliate and I'm promoting this product, and you get paid whenever I get paid a certain amount of commission whenever somebody clicks on this. So whenever you are transparent, it actually works, guys. I feel like the transparency is something which is very good, in the sense of you're already informing the audience what you're doing, and then the audience know that this is, and the tendency for them to actually support you because you are being truthful actually pays. Your integrity actually plays a very big role, and I trust in that line, guys. Integrity plays a very big role, and I feel like when you have a proper integrity, when you're honest, when you're truthful, things will happen according to what you want. So so once you have done that, that's it, guys, and then you go ahead and launch the campaign, and that's how you make $100 per day with Gotzha using Twitter ads, guys. So
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.